Hello students, welcome to our channel. Today we will solve a journal entry questions and we'll see how we can make journal entries through transactions and use golden rules. So 2017 January 1st says started business with cash rupees 50,000. That means you are starting a business, so cash will comes in business. The first we will use real account rules. That what comes in business debited. So what comes in business cash. That's why cash account debited. Okay, and before that you know how we draw journal entries: column, date, particular, ledger folio, debit amount and credit amount. So we will write first date 2017 January 1st. Now talk about first transaction. So cash comes in business, that means cash account debited. So let's talk about first started business with cash. So we will write in left corner of the particular column and write debit in right side of particular column. So started business with cash. That means comes what comes in business cash. So cash account will be debited and capital account will be credited. We will write as why will write as two capital account? Because when you invested some money in business, it becomes capital. Business always thinks separate itself to you. That means you are giving cash to business. So business will think this cash will be liability for itself, because one day business will return this amount to you or business will generate revenue for you. That's why cash converted into the capital, and capital is liability. So we will know about the rules. Okay, so to capital account, that means capital account will be credited. Got it? It is a personal account, so representative account, it will be credited. So this is 50,000, this is 50,000. Okay, again January 2nd paid into bank rupees 40,000. That means you are paying into the bank, or you can say you are deposited in the bank 40,000 rupees. So who is receiver? Bank. So bank will be debited. What goes out from the business? Cash. So cash will be credited. Okay, we miss the narration. This is the called narration. What is narration? Narration is nothing. Just it's show what entry made, that being that business started with the cash. Start this sentence with the being word, and you can write in your own word, own sentences also. But start with the being. It just represent the transaction. Second transaction we made bank account debit to cash. You can write as being the amount deposited into the bank, or if you have another sentence idea, you can write 40,000 debit side, 40,000 credit side. Now talk about the January 3rd. January 3rd says goods purchased from Sham rupees 5,000. That means you are purchasing goods through Sham, but it is not in cash basis. How we know? Because cash words are cash word is not here. Cash word is not here. That's why we know that it is on credit basis. It is not in cash basis. That means goods purchased from Sham. We are purchasing goods through Sham, but we will not pay cash. So how entry will make? Purchase account debit. Why purchase account debit? Remember things whenever you are purchasing goods or selling goods. When you are purchase, use purchase account. If you are sale, use goods as sales account, not goods. So if you are purchasing, what comes in business? Goods, but we will not use goods. We will write good purchase account. And Sham, goods purchase. So Sham will be yes, Sham will be given. That's why Sham is credited as personal account rules. Now you can write your narration. And fifth number is sold goods to Mohan. That means we are selling goods to Mohan, but we are not selling these goods on cash basis. This is on credit basis. How we know? Cash word is not using. So Mohan account debited because receiver the debit, so Mohan debited. And sales account credited. Why? Because what goes out from business? Goods. And we cannot write goods, we will selling it, so we will use sales word. Now next slide. It's January 9, says goods returned by Mohan. Earlier, we sold to Mohan our goods. Now Mohan, that particular goods returned because of some reasons. So earlier we sold, now it's returning. That becomes sales return, and sales return will be debited because we are good coming in our business. Who is giver? Mohan. So Mohan will credit. um, Goods returned to Shyam. Now we are returning goods to Shyam. Earlier we purchased. Now returning, so it becomes purchase return. So purchase return will be credited. And who is receiver? Shyam. So Shyam will be credited. In addition, we can write and debit amount, credit amount. And the 18 number says bought furniture for office by check. That means we are purchasing furniture and through check. So what come in business? Furniture. So furniture will be debited. And what goes out from business? Cash? No, cash is not goes out from business. We are purchasing through check. That means check. Whenever check, you will pay through the bank. So who is giver? Bank. Bank is paying in our sites, or bank is representative account. Now you can write narration. And last one is what? Purchase goods for cash. Purchase goods for cash. That means we are purchasing goods, but now this time through cash. So what comes in business? Goods. Very good. But we cannot write goods. We will write purchase. So purchase account debited. And what goes out from business? Cash. So cash will be credited. So all this entry made through golden rules. If you don't know about the golden rules, see my first video. I explained golden rules. Okay, thank you.